Good evening to all the present students and welcome. Uh, Let us start today a very new venture, and I know how many of you are there. 82 of you are there, and I know how many of you like maths. Okay, see there is a thumb up. Okay, so and there is an option of saying hi also. So I will like all of you to start video. Okay, and you can put your thumbs up if you say want to say yes. So how many of you like maths? Oh, I could see very less people who like maths. Okay, those who like maths, for them it will be fun, but those who do not like maths, for there I have some interesting thing to share with. But before I start, every good thing start with a prayer, and I will start with a prayer. So join your hand, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Join your hand, close your eyes. We will be doing a prayer. Take a deep breath. You will be focusing on breathe when I am doing a prayer. Oh. Oh. यावदायुस्त्रयो वन्द्या वेदान्तो गुरुरीश्वरा आदो ज्ञानप्रसिद्ध्यर्थं कृतज्ञत्वापनुतये ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांति. Well friends, many of them you have raised the hand, so I will like to say you those who have not raised the hand, for them maths is something like this. Maths full form is most mentally affected teacher harassing student. Do you agree with me? Okay, when I come to the maths, you feel it's really an harassment. People are really going to trouble us, and why this maths came in. But my friend, there is nothing in this world without mathematics. Everything has a maths. There is not a single second in the world without mathematics. There is not even a single second, my friend. Okay, even you say when we are sleeping, there is no maths, and you are calculating the time of sleep. When you want to get up, everything is calculated, and there maths entered in. There is not a single place where maths has not been there. Okay, there is not a single moment where maths has been missing. Okay, this what I am bringing it today to you has been brought in by International Speed Mathematics Competitive Course. Okay, it is a new way from an old tradition to solve mathematical problems. Okay, we are going to see the sum from addition, subtraction to calculus. Of course, in a given period of time, I will not be able to cover everything, but yes, we will be covering most of the thing. Okay, we are going to talk about Vedic mathematics, maths coming from an ancient science. If we get a time, we will be talking a lot of things about the mathematics. But in given time, let me talk about two aspects. One, I want to share what is my motto while teaching you or going ahead with this program, and also teach you some sums. So in a given time, when you came in, you gain something and you go ahead. Okay. And first, I will like to go with my miracle sum. Okay, my motto today is to not teach mathematics but create a mathematician. Let us talk about a miracle sum, and I will ask any one of you to unmute yourself. Okay, I will request Dilip sir, who is holding the host, okay, to unmute one of the person, and I will ask one of any one four-digit number. You can start your calculator. Just start your calculator. I have seen that Ashish has been unmuted. Ashish, give me any four-digit number. Ashish has raised the hand. Any four-digit number and start your calculator. Start your calculator. Give me four-digit number.
3423.
3423. Okay, 3423 multiply by biggest 4-digit number. Which is the biggest 4-digit number? 9,999. 3423 into
9,999.
Yes, multiply it. 3423 into 9999. Answer is 34226577. Check my answer. 3423 into 9999. Answer is 34226577. Am I right? Anyone has checked on the Kelsey?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
It's the right answer. If it is not right, then your calculator has a problem, but my answer will not go wrong. Okay. Now, how did I did this thing? I hope all of you are comfortable with English. Okay. So how did I did this thing? It's a very magical thing. Okay, you want to learn? If you want to learn, just raise your thumb. You want to learn? Just raise your thumb. Okay, there is a point to raise. Only 4 participants out of 82 want to learn. Yes, I want to see the raised hand. 6, 7, yes. More thumbs I am looking at. Yes. Oh, that's good. Okay, so let me teach you one very good technique. Okay, let me teach you a multiplication of 9. Okay, on fingers. Okay, you know the table of 9. You know table of 9. Okay, I will be doing the table of 9 on fingers. Okay, you have 10 fingers. Okay, I hope no Hrithik Roshan in my class having 11 fingers. Okay, so let us talk about the 10 fingers. Okay, I will start counting from my left hand. For me, this is my left hand. For you, this side it will be. So your left hand small finger is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have numbered them 1 to 10. This is 1 and this is 10. Now suppose I want to do 9 into 5. I want to do 9 into 5. What I will do, I will close my 5th finger. Okay. See how many fingers are open on the left side of the closed finger. This is a closed finger. How many fingers are open? 4. How many fingers are open? 4. And on right side of the closed finger, how many fingers are open? 5. Okay. See, this is 5. This is a closed finger. So these are all 5. So 4 and 5, 45 is my answer. 4 and 5, 45 is my answer. Okay. Isn't it very easy? One more sum I will be doing it out. Suppose I want to do 9 into 7. Okay. So let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I close my 7th finger. I close my 7th finger. Now this is a closed finger. Okay. And see how many fingers are on left side. This is a closed finger. So how many fingers are open? 6. How many fingers are open? 6. And on this side, how many fingers are open? 3. 6, 3, 63. 6, 3, 63. Okay, friends, I will give you a very interesting thing is we will play a buzzer round. Whoever will raise the hand first, I will be giving them an opportunity, okay, to show the answer. But I want the answer on finger. So your camera should be on and you have to show the answer on finger. Okay, you have got how I did it 5 and 7. Okay, so I will give you a question. All of you are ready? Okay, ready? So let us start. Okay, you have to raise your hand to give the answer, and whoever raises first, we will give them an option. So whoever is hosting it, okay, Dilip sir, okay, please assist me. Okay, so anyone can give an answer. 9 into, so it's a buzzer rounder. You may also get a gift. Okay, I will tell Dilip sir to pass on a gift to you. 9 into, I don't want an answer to be calculated verbally or on paper and pen. I know everyone can do it, but I want the answer on fingers. 9 into 27. 27.
Sir, 81.
No.
193.
I want an answer on figure. I don't want an answer. I want an answer on finger. You have to show me answer on finger.
243.
Answer on fingers.
213.
Who will show me answer on finger?
243.
You do not have 27 fingers. Do you want me to tell you the answer? Okay. I will share the answer with you.
243.
No, I want to show me on fingers.
243.
It should be. I have already said you my condition. Okay. There is no answers coming up. Okay. Answer may be 243 right, but how it is coming, I will check it out. I will show you. I want to close 9 into 27. So how you write 27? You write 2 and you write 7. So first I will close my 7 finger starting from left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 finger is closed. And for 20, I will close my first 2 fingers. And for 20, I will close my first 2 fingers. Now check how many first fingers are closed. First 2 fingers are closed. Between this closed finger and this closed finger, how many fingers are open? 4. And this side, how many fingers are open? 3. So answer is 243. Answer is 243. Okay. I hope everyone is enjoying. Okay. Let's learn something more. Are you ready to learn more?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Someone had asked me a question in starting 999 into 3423 and I gave the answer this way. So how I did this 4 digit? Please do not do this annotation. Sir, can you help me out to erase it? I think so. This is with you. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 9999. Before your calculator can get an answer, I will tell you the answer. It is 12338766. How did I get this answer so fast? And the formula is purvena. 1 less than previous. 1 less than previous. So what I did is I subtracted 1 from 1234. That is minus 1. 1234 minus 1. My answer is 1233. That is my first part of the answer. This is my first part of the answer. Then this part I subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 3, 6. I again repeat this part I subtracted each number from 9. So I got my answer 8766. And when I join first and second part, this entire is my answer 12338766. I hope it is very easy and you all can do it. Okay. I had some puzzles, but because of time constraint, sir, we have this of 40 minutes, right? Dilip sir?
Yes. Yes, sir.
40 minutes, okay. So we have a time constraint, so I will not give for a puzzle. I will go for a next thing, okay? We just don't teach mathematics, we go in depth of a concept. You know one element, from that you can do multiple things. So I will be showing you one technique. Few of you might be aware about this technique, but still there are a lot of things we need to understand this. Okay, I will be talking about 5-ending square. I will be talking about 5-ending square, 35 square. When I want to do 35 square into normal method, school method, it is 35 into 35. So I will do 35 into 5, it is 175. Then 35 into 3, 105. Leaving one space from n and adding both the numbers, I will get my total answer 1225. But when I am doing it through a Vedic maths technique, it's very easy. I will close down 5. Whatever is remaining number 3, I will increase it by 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, I will multiply this increased number with the number. 4 threes are 12 and square of 5, 25. Square of 5, 25. 1225 is my answer. 1225 is my answer, and it is very, very easy. Many of you may be knowing this technique, okay, but there is something more we need to understand from this. Okay, by this technique, can we do 35 into 36? Can anyone know how can I do 35 into 36 in this? Can we do 35 into 36?
Yes.
Okay, how? Okay, so it's very simple. When I do 35 into 35, I know I am adding 35 times. And when I'm doing 35 into 36, I am just adding 35 one time more. Okay, so when I'm doing 35 into 36, what I'm basically doing is, okay, I will be increasing this 36. I will be changing this 36 into 35 plus 1. I will remove 36 and replace it by 35 plus 1. Now I know for me it is very easy to do 35 into 35. Just in a previous slide I have shown it that how it is very easy, and its answer is 1225. And then I will take 1 time 35, okay, more. So my answer is 1260. You can do this entire thing mentally. Entire thing mentally. You can do lot of things from this thing. Okay. We are just not teaching to wrote the formula. I want you to create the formula. Many of them are putting up some questions on the chat. It is there in my notice. In end of the session, I will be talking to you and I will be replying your all these questions. Okay. So don't worry, you can flood out on the chat. But my question here is, can you just rely on the formulas what I am teaching, or you will create your own formulas? When you create your own formula, I'm really, really happy. We publish out this all formulas also, and we help you out to enhance your skills more and more. Okay. When I was doing 35 into 35, I will be teaching you. When you will be joining my course, I will be going on systematically. Right now, I'm going a little bit fast only to give you acquaintance of what we are doing. Okay, it's not a sum what I want to show you. I want you to show you the way, technique and tricks what we are combining, which will help you to do the sums very easily and make the things very interesting, make your life very interesting. So when I'm doing it 35 square, okay, I'm doing 35 into 35. Here there is a unique feature of this sum, that is last number sum total is 10, that is 5 plus 5 is 10, and first number is common. 3 is common. When I get this point, when I get this type of option in any of the sum, it become very, very good for me. Okay. So I want to do 32 into 38. So what I will do it, I am getting it last number sum total as 10. 2 plus 8 is coming 10 and 3 common. So I will go with the same formula what I was applying on in the 35 square. My answer is 1216. How I got it? I increased 3 by 1. So it become 4. 4 threes are 12. That is the first part of my answer. Okay. And second part, I will derive it by multiplying unit place. That is 2 8s are 16. That is 2 8s are 16. Now this sum I will be teaching you in class also. But then I will ask you and make you to think that what if it is 44 into 48? Where last number sum total is not 10. If first number sum total is 10, can you find out the sum? If any one of the number sum total is 10, can we find out what are these extended areas? How do we get this idea? How can we think mathematically is another segment what we can learn it out. There are a lot of people who will be teaching you maths, but learning with me, you will be enjoying because you will have an option to discover, research and find out new things. Okay, we just don't teach mathematics, we go on trip of mathematics. Today I will be taking you on a trip of mathematics and show you 2 to 3 okay historical formulas or a story of some ancient Indian mathematician which will help you and which will make you enjoy. Okay. Something really astonishing thing from India. Okay, I will talk about Was there any mathematics in India? Then yes, the highest number ever quoted. We know 0 was given by Indian, but what was the other thing Indian has done? Then highest number is also given by India, and the highest number given was by Valmiki, called Mahaogha. The term was Mahaogha, that is 10 raised to power 160. So after 10, 60 zeros, a huge number, and Kachayana has given the number Asankhya, that is 10 to the power 140. That is after 10, 140 zeros. Another thing is in geometry and trigonometry. Okay, Sulva Sutra is been there. Sulva Sutra and Shrauta Sutra is basically a technique of solving sums for rituals. हम हवन करते हैं, पूजा करते हैं, तो nowadays it is a square havan kund only. But what is being originally it was, so it was trapezium, circle, different type of havan kunds were been there, and this havan kunds, okay, were been calculated. The place to sit from that havan kund was been calculated, and this all calculation are been given in Sulva and Shrauta Sutra. Okay, so it is basically talking about geometry and trigonometry. They are using the word tanjaya, cotanjaya. Anyone in 9th, 10th can understand this word. It is nothing else but tangent and cotangent. Okay? They are using the word in same sense and same way. Okay? There is a Bhaskaracharya. I called him a social mathematician, a first mathematician, okay, who teaches entire maths to girls. Okay, sometime if we will get a chance, we will do a special program on Bhaskaracharya and his learning and teaching techniques. Okay, 500 years before Bhaskaracharya, before Pythagoras, he is been giving a sum of Pythagoras, or what we call today Pythagoras theorem. He takes Leelavati named girl to the jungle, and in jungle he shows her that there is a tree and on it two monkeys are sitting. On tree two monkeys are sitting. From that tree there is a certain distance of well is there. Both monkeys are feeling thirsty. So Bhaskaracharya asked, one monkey come down and go on the well and drink the water, and one monkey directly jump and drink the water. Who travels more? This is nothing else but Pythagoras theorem. Later on he says that this jump is not straight. This is an hyperbola, and in his another book called Goladhyay he explained that calculations also. Last I will talk about, not last of this slide, but last on this slide. Okay, there is a traveler called Al-Khwarazmi. He travels all across world, and when he comes to India, okay, he learns, okay, Aryabhatiya, and Aryabhatiya he goes back and he translated it into Arabic, and this book name is Hisabe al-Jabr Mawal Muqbala. Hisabe means account, al means the, Jabr means equation, Mawal Muqbala means new way of facing. The book name is The New Way of Facing the Equation. Okay, Britisher like this book, they translated it into English. They make it a shortcut. I don't want to use such a big name as an Al-Jabr. They cannot pronounce it more Al-Jabr, and then they mispronounce it, what we today know is as algebra. These are true stories, my friend, what I am sharing with you. Okay. Our motto is not to teach mathematics but play with mathematics, and I will be talking about one very interesting sum. Tell me the answer, how many of you know. Okay, I will talk about, it is like an Akbar Birbal story. Okay, Akbar and Birbal were going out on the road and they found three people are crying. Three boys are sitting and they are been crying, and then Akbar asked him what is the problem. So this boy says, oh, my father died before few days. Okay, our father died before few days. Akbar and Birbal both went in grief, and he said, oh, I'm very sorry to hear this thing. So you are crying for your father's grief. So then no, there is a yet bigger grief. So then what is that? So then he has put up as a problem. He has left in the property this 17 horses. Okay, he gave us a 17 horses, and he said that give your elder brother half of these horses, your second brother 1/3 of the horses, and last brother 1/9 of the horses. Okay, how could we divide this thing, half, 1/3 and 1/9? We cannot cut or we cannot sell the horse, or you only tell what to do. Okay, do you know the answer? Already I displayed the answer by mistake. Yes, Mishra ji. Ritesh Mishra. Can you tell the answer? Yes. I saw two of them raising the hand. Ritesh, I am unmuting you. Please unmute yourself and give the answer. Yeah, Abhinay. Yes, Abhinay.
Sir, we
Sir.
will add one
Sir.
horse to it.
Add one horse to it. Absolutely right. Good answer. I think so. Ritesh came late, so I gave opportunity to
Sir.
Abhinay. Ah.
Sir, मेरा भी वही आंसर था.
I understand that. Okay, because there is only one solution to it. Now, Birbal give one horse to him and he say, now you do it. Now you have 18 horse. Half of 18 is 9. So give elder brother 9 horse. 1/3 of 18 is 6. Give second brother 6 horse. And 1/9 of 18 is 2. Give youngest brother 2 horse. Now add this 9 plus 6 plus 2. Your answer will be 17. Birbal take his horse back and go home and these sums are been solved. Okay, there are a lot of these sums like puzzle. In a short time, I have given you only one. Okay, and when we are doing this type of maths, okay, and when we are learning in this frame, we are changing definition of maths to mentally affected teacher harassing student to most able teacher helping student. Okay, so friends, we will be enjoying, we will be cherishing into the class. Okay, what we will be doing, this will be a lifetime achievement. We will break, number of people have fear of mathematics, so we will be breaking the fear of mathematics. Okay, we will generate interest in mathematics. We will prepare for competitive exams and world, which will be a very essential and good thing. Okay, everyone is going to give a competitive exam. For that they need to improvise a maths, and this is a time you have it, you can improvise it. Make them think creatively and literally. Build solid foundation for academic and career success. New challenges, confidence building, strengthen character to overcome obstacle, generate complete potential in life. We will be putting up reward, performance reward, innovative reward. There will be a certificate which will be awarded to all. Highly trained and efficient teacher. Cumulative practice with detailed knowledge. Explaining technique with practical example. Historical fact, conceptual rationality. Unearthing linguistic jargon. Playful and cheerful atmosphere. Positive response from student as well as parents. We have got it. Establish from you what you expect from ISMCC. It will be a totally a passion loving for a passion student from Passion Academy. Okay, that is what I had it in time. I have emptied everything what is possible in the moment. Now it's you who can apply it. Before I end up my session, I will like to talk about three things. One, there were very good questions which were put up into the chat, and I was reading many of them. My friends, in a given time, I cannot reply everything. But yes, I will be replying you one day all the questions. Okay. Sir, do we have time?
Yes, we have, sir.
We have time? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I thought it's 40 minutes, so I was little bit in hurry. Okay. So I will do share with you lot of things. Okay. I would like to share with the passion student one story. So if you are interested in hearing a story, yes. Okay. So I will be talking about. Okay. I got only one hand raised. You don't want to listen story?
Sir, if you can share some mathematical skills more, it will be more fruitful for the students and they can decide of the mind to do the course.
Sir, mathematical things, so we have almost given. We will be talking on that.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Please proceed.
I will be going ahead with the story. Okay. And see, in one day you cannot have all the food. Okay. You in a day you have 2 times food. Why you have 2 times food? Okay. In one time you cannot eat for all the month. So there is lot of things to learn. When you will come, we will be going on lot of things systematically. everything what I have paid up. Even I doubt all the things you have been remembering it. So we have to go systematically, slowly, and learn lot of things. Okay, but I will tell you one very interesting story here. Okay, and more than a story, it is a fact. Everyone knows about the Mahabharata. Everyone know about the Bhagavad Gita. Anyone who has read Bhagavad Gita or heard about Bhagavad Gita? Yes, I saw one hand. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 12, 13, 15. Yes, great, great, great. Okay, so well, I will be talking about one thing. Okay, uh, what happens is, okay, why before Bhagavad Gita starts, okay, and when Krishna start imparting the knowledge, okay, one more incident occurred which has been given into the fourth para itself of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, Duryodhan was always jealous of Pandavas, and Pandavas were favorite student of Dronacharya, and Dronacharya, because of duty bound, he was on Kaurava's side. Okay, so Duryodhan goes to the chariot of Dronacharya and he wanted to taunt Dronacharya. This has been what fact has been mentioned into the Bhagavad Gita. You can read it. And Duryodhan says to Dronacharya, okay, Asmakam, Asmakam aparyaptam balam bhishma rakshitam tadasmakam paryaptam balam bhima rakshitam. Okay, what does he mean? See my army. My army is unlimited. Friends, trust me, he was having such a huge army that it was not coming into Kurukshetra. He has to keep his army out of the Kurukshetra. When someone dies, another person comes in. That much huge army he was carrying. And most skilled person, Bhishma was the leader. And the group which was standing opposite to Duryodhan, okay, that he was talking, Bhim, a newly came Bhim was a leader. Okay, just compare Bhishma and Bhim. Okay, and they were Pandavas having very limited army, very limited army. Okay, so he says, in no time my unlimited army will engulf a limited army. Can you tell me what happened in end? Who won? Who won? Yes,
Pandavas.
Pandavas won. True, Pandavas won. What happened here is they were limited, still they won, because everyone should know what are their limitations. And when we know the limitation, we can cope up with that limitation and we can learn more and more things. So people here have been putting up some questions that can we do this sum? Can we do that sum? Yes, my friend, you can do that sum, but there is a small variation in a trick which I cannot take it up everything right now, because we have a not only limitation of time, but we have a limitation of mind also. Okay, so we should wait, we should hold, okay, and we should go systematically, then we can learn lot of things. Okay, so that is what I would like to share. Second thing what I will like to share is that, okay, we will be having an entire course. Sir will be sharing with you a details of the courses. In that we will be doing lot of activity. We will be having a fun. We will be having puzzles. We will be having stories. We will be having lot of techniques, details of technique, and I will make you to find out your own technique. And tell me, friends, what is more interesting, learning techniques or finding techniques? Okay, finding techniques. Yes, I could see some smile on your faces. Okay, and that is what I want you to do it out. We have to invoke research aptitude. See, COVID-19 is going on. We all are locked down. There are a lot of people who are doing research. If people are not doing research, world will be standing still. Okay, this corona cannot go. They are doing research in medicine. We will be doing research in whichever field we are. We will be exploring. We will be going and learning more and more. This is very important thing to learn. Okay, and that is what we will be sharing it out. And to join, sir will be sending you a form. You have to fill up the form and you have to join. Remaining procedure sir will be telling. In meantime, if you have any questions, I can, with sir permit, I will tell you. But from my end, I have already completed. All the best to you. Thank you very much. Any question anyone want to ask? Wow. Wow, I could see Apurva Raj saying that you have read 1, 2, 3, 4, and 12 Gitas. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, I am having my next session. So I will, if there is no question, I will say thank you very much. All of you can go on YouTube, type out Deep Kapadia. You can subscribe our channel also, and we will be loading more and more thing also. Okay, thank you. Okay, and thank you, Dilip sir, for giving us an option. We will be waiting for your further response. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, we can do geometric calculations also. Okay, we can do lot of things, geometric calculation, even trigonometric calculation. Okay, like we did table of 9, we can do cos, theta, sine also on fingers. Okay. Yes, we can do any number raised to any number, any recurring number, any decimal numbers. We can do it. We can do in higher order mathematics. Okay, we can do multiply by three digits, three numbers, 4 digit, 5 digit, 3 digit, any numbers we can do it out. Okay, this all will be very, very helpful for you in competitive exams. Okay, I have my next lecture at 6:10. It's already 6:07, so I will like to leave. Thank you, friends. Anything is there, we are always there to help you out. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank